How to turn living room into bedroom. If you're thinking of converting your living room into a bedroom, you're probably wondering where to start and what it will take. Let's break it down step by step. First, consider why you need this extra bedroom. Is it for a guest room, a home office that doubles as a bedroom, or perhaps for a family member? Knowing the purpose will help you decide on the best approach. One of the simplest ways to create a bedroom from a living room is by using room dividers. You can install a quick and easy room divider, such as a curtain or sliding doors. These can be put up in just a few hours and can effectively separate the space into two distinct areas. Sliding doors, for instance, offer more privacy and can be a bit more involved to install, but they're still a DIY-friendly option. Another method is to create a physical division by installing a temporary wall. This could be a curtain, a hanging sheet, or even a bookshelf. For a more permanent solution, you can frame and drywall a new wall, but this will require more work and possibly professional help. This approach also involves adding closets, wiring for outlets, and separate lighting for each room. If you're dealing with a small apartment or limited space, consider using built-ins to optimize your space. For example, you can create a loft bed space above a home office or living area. This not only adds floor space, but also creates a cozy sleeping area without taking up too much room. When converting a room, several cost factors come into play. The cost to convert a room into a bedroom can range from $10,000 to $90,000, depending on the space and what needs to be done. For instance, converting a garage into a bedroom requires removing doors, adding insulation, exterior siding, windows, and possibly extending the HVAC system. Converting a basement or attic involves waterproofing, insulating walls, and adding egress windows or doors. In terms of specific costs, windows and doors can range from $350 to $1,500 each, and HVAC extensions can cost between $35 to $55 per linear foot. Foundation work, if needed, can cost $6 to $15 per linear foot. To keep your costs manageable, think about what you already have in the room. If the room already has the necessary size, egress, and HVAC, the conversion will be simpler and cheaper. For example, converting a living room is often straightforward since it already meets many of the legal requirements for a bedroom. Lastly, consider the aesthetic and functional aspects of your new bedroom. Think about the colors, decor, and unique architectural details that will make the space feel like a bedroom. You might also want to add closets, carpeting or flooring, and other installations that make the room comfortable and functional. By considering these factors and approaches, you can successfully turn your living room into a cozy and functional bedroom.